everyone, it's Michelle, and today I'm going to be unboxing my fall FabFitFun box. Not only that, but I'm going to be going through my fall add-ons as well. For those of you who are unaware, FabFitFun is a seasonal subscription box, one every season, so this is going to be the fall box. And then with the box, they allow you to shop what they call the add-on sale, where they have a bunch of beauty, fitness, health, fun, fit, and fab stuff for you to choose from. That's anywhere from like 30 to 70% off, something like that. So you get a pretty big discount on these items. So I'm gonna go through my add-ons first. Let's just go ahead and get into it. Something I'll have to do is put the prices of everything on the screen because they don't put that on the invoice. But the first thing I added on was this Saturday Skin set. Saturday Skin is a brand I'm interested in trying more from, so I thought this little set would be nice. It comes with a sample size of their Rise and Shine Gentle Cleanser, their Wide Awake Brightening Eye Cream, and their Featherweight Moisturizer. So figured it was a good little set, especially for the price it was at, so I'm excited to try this out. All right, and then I got two of these Beauty Blender cleansers. They're the solid chill swirl ones, which I think is just like that blue and white swirl soap. I don't care about the soap design. All I care about is these in general. This is my favorite cleanser for my brushes and my beauty sponges. So yeah, $7 a piece. Awesome deal. Couldn't pass it up. Had to get two. I honestly had three in my cart and I was like, calm down. So yeah, these are great. All right, I got the Murad Acne Control something. Rapid Relief Acne Spot Treatment. I've never bought this before, but I read the reviews and they were pretty good. So it's 2% salicylic acid. I know it's just gonna be one of those things, you feel a pimple coming on, you put it on, let it sit there overnight, and hopefully it'll make your pimple go away. So I'm excited to try this out. This is probably the add-on I'm most excited about. It's one of the Spongels, but it's the pumpkin spice one. And coincidentally enough, the Spongel I'm using now is like out, so I'm definitely gonna switch to this one. Oh my gosh, yes. It's everything I wanted. I am basic. I do love pumpkin everything, and this is gonna get me so excited for fall. Yeah, it says 14 plus washes. Definitely the plus. I feel like mine lasts me like 30 washes. These are the bomb if you've never used one, by the way. All right, and then this random thing. So they usually have freebies every season. I was gonna say every month, every season, where if you spend like over $15, they'll let you choose the freebie while supplies last. And it's Barilla Chickpea Rotini. So I'm excited to try it, honestly. It looks like it'll be pretty low in points, knock on wood. So yeah, I'll give this a try. I'll let you guys know. Anyway, let's get into the box itself now. Every season they've got a different person in their little magazine they send you, which I'll be honest, I never read. I don't care. So it looks like it's Meghan Trainor for now. She's all right. All right, and what's in the box?
What's in the box?
What's in the box? All right. Fall in love with FabFitFun. It's a little coupon code, but I also have a coupon code if you want to join in my description box always. Little HelloFresh coupon. All right. The first thing, I actually picked this out, and it's why I'm okay with coming in here after the shower. I was masking, FedEx came, and I said, you know what? Perfect timing. This is the After Spa hair towel wrap. So I guess I'm gonna put it on my head. Basically with FabFitFun, you get to customize, I forget how many selections if you're just a basic member, I think 3. And then you get to customize 4 selections if you're yearly. I'm yearly. And I don't know what the other choices were, but this is something that I could use and I wouldn't actually buy. So why not? All right. Oh, okay. All right, so I guess you put this part on the base. It's got a little button on the back. Is there room for the button to snap in? Oh, all right. Hold, please. Okay, my hair's in it, and I just twist it, and... Oh, okay, hold on. I got this. Nope, too tight. This is a workout. Oh, there's the button. All right. If I had to guess, I look fab, I look fit, and I look fun. Next thing. I think this is an item that came in everyone's box. It has to be. I wouldn't have picked this. It is the Human and Kind Body Souffle. I'm not really into lotions. Let me smell it. Oh, it's sealed. Oh, it smells like melon. This retails for $18. I'll give it a try. Here, I'll open it now. While I'm trying everything, I might as well try it. But the only lotion I truly like is the Sol de Janeiro Boom Boom Cream. Yeah, it's some type of melony. Yeah, I mean, it feels all right. Well, hi there. How are you today? I mean, it's smooth. It's fine. All right, something else that everyone got in their box. Is it Aveda? Aveda? I'll say Aveda. It's the Aveda Damage Remedy Hair Repair. Well, damn, I already... All right, hold on. Because if we're going to do it, we're going to do it right. Hey. All right. Smells like hair product. This bad boy retails for $30. I'll be the judge of that. I guess I can't judge how much it retails for, but I can judge if it's worth it. Back to that hair wrap life. Be right back. Next, I got these Bobble Bar Farrah ear crawlers. They retail for $34. Made in China. These were $30. Oh shit. It's kind of ridiculous. They're not really that special looking. Although I buy all my jewelry from Forever 21, so. If it's more than $5, I'm like, get the fuck out of here. Is this for my right ear or my left? They go straight down. This is... Oh God, when's the last time I wore earrings? Well, I hope I can show these to you. My ear holes might be plugged up. We'll try this ear real quick. Oh wow. Looking this way, I can see my nose out of my peripheral vision. I forgot I had a mask on. Ooh, blue face. I found the hole. That's what she said. Oh my God. Okay, these were horrible to get in. I think they're kind of ugly. How do I look? This is a very cute little container. I think this is another thing that everyone will get in their box. This is the Harper and Airy Exfoliating Sugar Cubes in Juice Cleanse. Well, I just got out of the shower, so I can't really show you guys these. God, I just want to eat them. Don't do it. Don't do it. God, I think I'm hungry. Weight Watchers, man. Oh, these will be fun. Like a left little... Oh, I did it in literally the worst spot here. Left little sugar... sugar shit on my arms. They don't smell terrible. You know what they smell like? It's a certain medicine from when I was a kid. It's not like cherry cough syrup. It's some sort of cough syrup that I didn't want to take, though. No, it's like children's amoxicillin. I'm not into the smell, but I like the sugar. I'll use them. Did I say that? They retail for $16, this little jar. All right, probably the only good product out of the box this season. Nice little bag. This is an Amika Strand Perfect Ceramic Styler. It's a straightener. It's a hair straightener. It's full size. It's pink, and Amika is a pretty popular brand, so I obviously can't put it on my wet hair. I love you guys, but not enough to fry my already damaged hair off, so I'll definitely use it, though. You can always use another straightener, right? And this one looks really nice, so okay. I did choose this option, by the way, out of the other choices. I think the other choices were a teeth whitening system and like a cheese board. Like, duh, I'm gonna get the $80 straightener. These are the Wander Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. It comes with 6 pairs, so I'm gonna put one on now. And the 6-pack retails for $25. I'm gonna be honest, when I first used products like these, I was like, this is a gimmick. This is stupid, this is silly, but turns out they're not. I always feel like my skin underneath my eyes is more plump when I use these now, so I can admit that I was wrong. Yeah, there's so much liquid in this one. Lord. I've never used theirs. They're huge. All right, I'm also doing this all without a mirror. Hold for applause. I know they're not even because I can feel that, but yellow. This unboxing is just getting weirder and weirder. All right, my last item. I feel like we normally get more items than this. I know this one was also an option too, and I didn't like any of the options, so I just went with this one. This is a Kate Spade lunch tote. So it says out to lunch right here. There's a little Kate Spade label. I'm not really like a brand girl. I know Kate Spade is somewhat of an expensive brand, right? I guess if this little ass lunchbox $30, then yeah, it's expensive. It's insulated, so that's nice. I don't know. I'll probably never use this. So altogether, the retail of the items in my box was $251 and I paid $50. Well, technically because I'm annual, I get a discount. Hold on. Okay, so I paid like $45 for the box when all is said and done. I don't think it was worth it. I honestly think this box sucked a bag of dicks, to be perfectly honest. Like, I don't really care about those sugar cubes. I don't really care about the body souffle. I don't give a shit about that lunchbox. Like, these Wander masks are okay. And that hair straightener's like cool, but I already have one, you know? I was more excited about my add-ons, the things I picked, than the things that actually came in the box. What else? See, I can't even remember what else came in the box. Oh, these fucking earrings, this hair. It was a bad box. Typically, I do like FABFITFUN, but I'm just not a fan of this fab box. I don't know, guys. Bad box. Yeah, that's about all I got for you. Sorry. I'm gonna let these sit on a few more minutes, then rinse this mask off, and probably go do some more skincare. So, yeah. Do you guys subscribe to FABFITFUN? And if so, what'd you think of this season? Yikes. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you later. Bye.